Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to bend a line in Canva. So let's start. It's very easy. Just let's go to the left side, and in this case I will select add a heading. So let's write here, and as you can see, let's delete this one. Now let's press underline. How to do it? Shift and then underline. Now as you can see, well, this element is not perfect. You can see here breaks between the lines. So if we want to blend the line, just go to this part, select this part, and then let's go to select effects. Here appears the effects that you can add to this line. Then let's go to shape. This part says shape and it says none, and here says curve. Just select curve, and as you can see, the breaks delayed between this line, so you can modify this element. You can make curver and you can make bigger or whatever you want. So you can select this part, whatever it's your preference. In this case, if you want to make this bigger, you can do it, or if you want to turn in another side, just do it. In this way, we can bend a line in Canva very easy. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this